Find features that distinguish it from other brands for AOLBSPD Wireless Earbuds, Bluetooth 5.3 in-ear headphones with noise-cancelling mic. And why you should choose. Next, we are introduce some reasons why. Because there are features. AOLBSPD Wireless Earbuds. 40 hours playtime, Bluetooth 5.3, ENC noise cancelling and 3D HiFi sound. Experience pure, high-definition sound with the AOLBSPD Wireless Earbuds, designed to deliver lossless audio, long-lasting comfort, and a stable Bluetooth 5.3 connection. Equipped with a new generation dynamic driver unit and advanced Bluetooth 5.3 lossless transmission, these earbuds restore every note and detail, bringing you a real, immersive soundstage whether you're listening to music, watching movies, or gaming. Each earbud weighs less than 5 grams, featuring an ergonomic semi-in-ear/in-ear design with soft silicone ear tips that provide comfort even after hours of wear. With up to 8 hours per charge and 40 hours of total playtime using the charging case, you can enjoy uninterrupted listening all day. Thanks to direct and ENC noise-cancelling technology, your calls stay clear even in busy environments. The IPX7 waterproof rating protects against sweat and rain, while touch controls let you manage music and calls effortlessly. Compact, powerful, and beautifully balanced, these earbuds redefine your wireless audio experience. If you want to get full highlight features and/or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. Thanks for watching. We hope this video satisfied for you, and make sure to press that like button and share this video with your friends. And important, don't forget to press subscribe to get instant notifications of all future uploads.